Hi guys, so welcome to my tech channel. So today I'm going to explain that some of the important tips where you debugging the user path. So when you click on this button, it will redirect to the user path. So user path, I have already explained that to different options. So before running that, always you can change the new user. And here, in order to avoid NN network 01 error, you uncheck this and click on OK and use current scenario because some JPG or JPG some formats we are not require some JS, that's why it will screws in, that is it will ignore that. In pre-user think time there is not a required, so this is very important, enable the calculation of difference, so it will enable that. So always remember that while you are working this import export user path validation, the export will be disabled and import will be enabled. This is also one of the important options. You can remember that and click on OK. So and click on start checking. So once you click on start checking option, what happened is I will explain that what happened. So user path is valid. So how you will validate is I already explained that after putting that go to this, and this is very important, go to the response and here. So both are 200. So that means your request is fine. So this is the first parameter you need to validate. Suppose here it is 200, it is a 400 or 403. Then you have done some mistakes. So both should be same. Response during validation and recording during validation. Raw format, different format will be there. And here one more thing you can to see that in the request what are the parameters are different. If you want to see that even if it is in a cookies, here it will show that because there is no parameter, that's why it will not see anything. Sometimes it is showing that what are the parameters that it will require. Here also you can see that the response difference both are 200, so that's fine. Suppose any parameters it will be passing, then you can see. So only differences, then this means that we have to correlate this value. So this is the way you can identify the what value is server sending while recording and what value that we will receive during response. So this is one of the value, you can see that. So both are different, that's why we need to correlate this JSON ID value even if it is in the cookies. So one myth will be there in the Neoload. Most of the times the people said that it is not required to do the correlation in cookies part, but sometimes it is also create a problem, so you also do the correlation in cookies also. And apart from that, suppose if you want to see what so suppose this is the request you are, suppose if you want to go to the design or a request direct script server design, so it will directly enable this. So this is the one of the tip that you have to follow. And servers, so as I already said that what request that it will be give that. So response this, both you can compare 200 200, that's fine. You can validate the response code request. In the request you can see that what are the different parameters that you requiring. JSON ID, so ignore password, basically JSON ID you need to code it. So this is the way you can debug the user path. These are the tips that we have to follow. Just explain that while you are selecting it will be highlighted over here. 302 is not an error code, it means it is redirected. So that is one point you can remember that most of them are confused. So here 302 most, I think the response is also the same 302, so then that is fine. So these are the important tips that you have to follow. So here you can see that differences, now differences will be gone. So this is the option that you have to check it, because it is mainly 99 100%, you need to look into that why it is a difference. So this is the value it is passing JSON IDs, you can identify by the experience or whenever you see that this is the value I am passing. Variables. So what in the variables section, whatever the correlated or parameter values that will be passing. So guys, I hope you understand what are the tips you are following while debugging the script, and also see that some of the important options where you are checking the user path. So guys, please subscribe my channel for more updates on Neoload. Not only Neoload, soon I will start the videos on Grinder tool, and also some lowdown is a common geometer, important stuff we are using in the data. So based on my experience, I've also prepared some videos. Please guys, subscribe my channel because subscriptions are very less and views good. Please subscribe, comment and share. And also if anybody is looking for performance testing training, just let me know. So I will give you a training compared to the market less. Thank you guys. Have a nice weekend. Thank you. Bye.